Did you know that sitting too long is bad for your heart? It's a surprising fact that many people are unaware of. We often think of smoking or poor diet as the main culprits of heart disease, but prolonged sitting is just as dangerous. It's true. Many of us spend hours glued to our chairs, at work or at home. Whether we're working on a project, binge watching our favorite shows, or even just browsing the internet, we spend a significant portion of our day sitting. This sedentary behavior has become a norm in our modern lifestyle. This inactivity is a silent threat, increasing the risk of sudden cardiac death. When we sit for long periods, our muscles burn less fat, and blood flows more sluggishly, which can lead to fatty acids clogging the heart. Over time, this can result in serious cardiovascular issues. Sudden cardiac death is a scary thought, but we can prevent it. Regular physical activity is key. Engaging in exercises like jogging, yoga, or even a brisk walk can significantly reduce the risk. It's not about intense workouts. Even moderate activities can have a profound impact on our heart health. The good news is that small changes can make a big difference. Simple actions like standing up and stretching every hour, taking short walks during breaks, or setting a timer to remind ourselves to move can help counteract the negative effects of prolonged sitting. By simply reducing our sitting time, we can significantly improve our heart health. Opting for stairs instead of the elevator, taking a walk during lunch breaks, or doing desk stretches are easy ways to incorporate more movement into our daily routine. It's time to break free from our sedentary lifestyles and prioritize movement. Engaging in group exercises, going for family walks, or even dancing in our living rooms can make physical activity enjoyable and sustainable. Our hearts deserve that much. Let's commit to making these small but impactful changes. By doing so, we not only improve our heart health, but also enhance our overall well-being. Remember, every step counts, and our hearts will thank us for it. A groundbreaking study has revealed a simple yet powerful way to reduce the risk of sudden cardiac death. Replace 30 minutes of sitting with light activity. That's right, just 30 minutes. This could be anything from taking a brisk walk to doing some light housework. Even catching up on sleep can have protective benefits for your heart. This study offers hope and a practical solution for a healthier heart. It's time to get up and get moving. This important study, published in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology, followed over 200,000 adults for 7 years. The results were remarkable. The study found that replacing just 30 minutes of sitting time with light physical activity was linked to a significant reduction in the risk of sudden cardiac death. This research provides strong evidence that incorporating more movement into our day can have a profound impact on our heart health. Professor Bethany Barone Gibbs, a leading researcher in physical activity and health, highlights the significance of these findings. She has dedicated years to studying the intricate relationship between our daily habits and overall well-being. Her research underscores the profound impact that even minor adjustments in our routines can have on our health. This study provides encouraging evidence that even small changes in our daily routines can make a big difference in our heart health. For instance, taking short breaks to walk around, stretching at your desk, or engaging in light exercises at home can significantly improve cardiovascular health. These seemingly insignificant actions accumulate over time, leading to substantial benefits. Keith Diaz, another prominent researcher involved in the study, emphasizes the importance of finding ways to move more throughout the day. His work has shown that prolonged periods of inactivity can be detrimental, and he advocates for integrating more movement into our daily lives. We need to be conscious of our sitting time and make a concerted effort to incorporate more light activity into our lives. Diaz suggests simple strategies such as standing up and stretching every hour, taking short walks during breaks, and using a standing desk if possible. These small changes can help counteract the negative effects of prolonged sitting. Incorporating more movement into our daily routines is crucial for a healthy heart. Regular physical activity, whether it's jogging in your neighborhood, participating in a group fitness class, or playing with your family in the backyard, can greatly enhance heart health. These activities not only improve cardiovascular function, but also boost overall physical and mental well-being. The consensus among experts is clear. Making an effort to move more throughout the day is essential for maintaining a healthy heart and a vibrant life. Section 5. Walking your way to wellness. Every step counts. Walking is a fantastic way to get your heart pumping and reduce your risk of sudden cardiac death. It's free, easy to do, and can be incorporated into your daily routine. Take a brisk walk during your lunch break, walk the dog an extra block, or simply walk around your house while on the phone. Every step counts when it comes to heart health. So put on your walking shoes and get moving. Section 6. Cleaning up your act chores that benefit your heart. Who knew that household chores could be good for your heart? It's true. Activities like vacuuming, dusting, and gardening can all contribute to a healthier heart. So, the next time you're feeling sluggish, tackle a chore or two. Your heart will thank you. Remember, even light activity can make a difference. Let's get those chores done and improve our heart health. Section 7. Rest and recharge. Even sleep can make a difference. You might be surprised to learn that even sleep can contribute to a healthier heart. The study found that replacing sitting time with sleep was associated with a reduced risk of sudden cardiac death. While more research is needed in this area, getting enough sleep is essential for overall health and well-being. So, aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to recharge your body and protect your heart. Section 8. Small changes, big impact. Taking action for heart health. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to overlook the importance of heart health. However, taking small, consistent steps can lead to significant improvements in our overall well-being. The key takeaway from this groundbreaking study is that small changes can have a big impact on our heart health. Simple adjustments in our daily routines can lead to substantial benefits. For instance, incorporating more fruits and vegetables into our diet, reducing salt intake, and staying hydrated are all small steps that can make a big difference. We don't need to become marathon runners or gym enthusiasts overnight. Instead, we can start with manageable activities that fit into our daily lives. Whether it's taking a short walk during lunch breaks, playing with our children in the park, or even stretching at our desks, every bit of movement helps. Start by setting realistic goals, such as replacing 30 minutes of sitting time with light activity each day. This could be as simple as standing up and moving around every hour, or setting a daily step goal on your smartwatch. These small changes can gradually build up to create a healthier lifestyle. Find activities you enjoy and make them a part of your daily routine. Dancing in your living room, playing a casual sport with friends, or gardening with your family are all fun ways to stay active. The key is to choose activities that you look forward to so they become a regular part of your life. Remember, every little bit of movement counts. Taking the stairs instead of the elevator, doing light stretching exercises, or walking your dog are all simple ways to incorporate more activity into your day. These small efforts can add up over time, leading to better heart health. It's time to prioritize our heart health and make these small changes for a longer, healthier life. By taking action now, we can enjoy the benefits of a healthier heart and a more active lifestyle. Let's encourage each other to make these positive changes and support one another on this journey to better heart health. Together, we can make a big impact with small, consistent actions. Section 9. Your heart's best friend. 30 minutes of movement a day. In conclusion, the evidence is clear. Incorporating just 30 minutes of light activity into our daily routines can significantly reduce our risk of sudden cardiac death. Whether it's walking, doing chores, or even catching up on sleep, every bit of movement counts. Let's make our hearts happy by choosing movement over